Today is 23rd of November. George here. Just a quick update with regards to my open positions, which you can clearly see here, going back all the way to let's have a look. The date 10th of 6th of October. Okay, so we started trading. We've got three short positions at the moment, going short. But also on top of that, this one's here, first, second, and third. Meanwhile, I managed to hit, you can see we managed to hit 30k in the profit going long and 40k in the profit going long. So at the moment, we've got three trades going short, 10k, 20k, and 50k. This is £50,000 deposit. You know this is a demo account. And you can see clearly here that I'm using my, so to speak, whatever I have generated, whatever profit I have generated, I'm using that as a working capital, which is going to allow me in due course to have an equity of £52,000, as I mentioned before. So at the moment, balance is 51,648. Floating a loss of only £1,564 or 1,000 pips. And you can see, even though I'm in the minus of 1,000 pips, it doesn't really have any effect on my account whatsoever at all. The equity is still in the plus. We started with 50,000. But as you know, I've started this channel 4 months ago, and all the trades are documented. So at the moment, yes, we are standing short. Now, the important thing is that here we've got geopolitical aspect. What I mean by that is the following: that we are in the process here in Britain to sign, to come to an agreement with the EU with regards to lots of things. Okay, so financial things, business things, borders, whatnot, because of Brexit. But there's a very, very crucial aspect, for example, which relates to Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland. So if there is going to be no deal, unfortunately, we're going to get hard borders, which is not really ideal for Britain or for both parties involved, because it might flare up certain troubles. Okay, and that's what I'm saying. Geopolitics plays a huge part in trading, investments, inflow of funds or outflow. So at the moment, if we're gonna look at certain development, we've got here Fibonacci extensions. Okay, here, and so far, so that's first move, second, third, fourth, and basically price is really pushing to its previous high, so to speak. Yeah, it's going to get to this level 36, 37, and from there on we should see a certain correction. Let's quickly have a look. I do apologize, my what do you call it, MT4, I'm using iMac, so here it's a little bit slow. Okay, let's quickly have a look at the retracement. Once the price gonna get all the way to this level, okay, then we should expect a certain correction. Correction will come to this level, 27, 28. As you know, we don't really base our trading strategies or approach just based on Fibonacci. It just helps us to more or less anticipate what might transpire. Of course, the price can push even further high. It depends on what also is happening in the United States, because hey, we're talking about pound dollar. But things are coming down a little bit, and usually it's like that. Elections, Americans spend during those years, times during elections, dollar tends to usually get weaker, and come January, it should stabilize. Of course, in the short term only, so a short period only. We're not talking about long term, because no one really knows what's going to happen in, let's say, 2-3 months down the line, because even no one sort of anticipated coronavirus. So here we go. We've got it, so we have to deal with it. So this is the certain development now with these particular movements here. So 1, 2, the price is pushing. So it's like sort of break through this extension period and moving into this category. And then it's going to test it, correct itself, and it's going to break through this one and then get to sort of 28 territory. But we'll see, because at the moment I've got free trades going short. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. Very soon I'm going to be going short again. That's for sure. So I anticipate 60k position going short, and then there's a high probability I'm going to be going long. Okay, guys, that's all for now, and I'll catch up with you hopefully next week. Thank you.